channel. My name is Alvina and you're watching Alvina and Alina's channel. So friends, today we are gonna learn how to create dancing sprites in code.org. So let's start.
ORG, yeah. Here it is. Just waiting. I'm going to go to the dance floor. I'll make 6 new bags. Anyway, I like that, so I'll just going to put that. So let's see if we can run. Okay, that's amazing. So I'm going to go with the dance floor. How about neon?
I can write one song.
It was amazing with it. So let's go to the world again and set this as rain. I'm going to emojis. It will look like a Facebook.
I can write one song that's not about you. Can't drink with.
Yeah, it's amazing. So I'm going to try one and another because I really don't want those emojis. How about
I can write one song that's not about you. Can't drink with.
as delete? I really don't want these. So I'm name dancer. I'm gonna make a new tag. Edit. So I'm going to go with the where dance monkey. I really like it. So I really like it, so I'm going to put them